a brightly painted star. Angels gather around the hearth, strumming on guitars. Men of great renown and faith say prayers on boulevards. It's the night before Christmas, but you don't have to be an angel to sing harmony, and you don't have to be a child to love the mystery, and you don't have to be a wise man on bended knee. The heart of this Christmas is in you and me.